Right, welcome back. What we want to look at purely is just wiring system. Now this is for information only, okay? So be aware of that. Now what I've done here is to gather some information in text that you may find useful in regards to electrical installation. Now this information is consistent. It never gets old, okay? Now this is for you to read yourselves. Don't just glance through it. Try and read it through, okay? Because you'll find that it will come in useful at a point in time when you least expect it. So use the information constructively. Now it should be large enough to be seen. Okay, I'm just making sure that it fits on to the screen. Okay, but read the information. Okay. Now answer these questions as well. Make that part of the exercise. Answer the questions. Write them out on a notepad. Write them out on A4 paper. Answer them yourselves. Okay? It enables your understanding and it improves your knowledge. Okay, I think that is it. Okay, at this stage. So please remember, write it out, make the information your own, read the text as it goes through. And remember what the hand has written, the brain never forgets. Okay? Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Thank you.